1182, back to you.
Hello, 1182. Do you copy? Charlie Echo 01. Kate in the mobile. Charlie Echo 01, a mobile station, southeast of England, call. So you have a good day today and a better day tomorrow, and you should at 1182 Northeast Florida will be clear on your final. Hello Ray in Florida, do you copy? Charlie Echo 01, Kate in the mobile station. Charlie Echo 01, a mobile station, southeast of England, call. Hello Ray in Florida, do you copy? Charlie Echo 01, in the mobile, Kate in the mobile.
Okay, London, England, good afternoon, 009 Florida.
Cool.
Yorkshire, England, stand by. Yorkshire, England, stand by. I'm talking to the station from London, England. Station London, England. Go ahead, my friend. Come on, don't tell me that. You say that 125. And mobile making a trip to the USA, my friend. Congratulations, man. Have a good day. Roger, take care on the black carpet. 009 Florida, standing by.
Hello Ray in Florida, do you copy? Charlie Echo 01, Kate in the mobile.
Oh man, I can't hear Netherlands, I can't hear Spain. Man, I don't know, man. So many people want to get back to the good old 009, man. 009, Southwest Florida, I'm listening.
Hello Ray 009, do you copy? Charlie Echo 01, in the mobile, southeast of England.
Roger, go ahead, man. 29 India, go ahead. I got a copy, go ahead. 784, 210, around Montego Bay, and I'm listening. At the moment, I'm trying to stay warm, Roger. I hear you, my friend. No problem, man. All right, no problem, man. Let me see if I can get back to some of these guys in the UK and Europe, man. Have a good day, my friend. 009 Florida, stand by.
Hello Ray, do you copy? Charlie Echo 01, Kate in the mobile, southeast of England.
Okay, we hear a female out there. Gentlemen, please stand by. Gentlemen, stand by. The female, I think you say you're from Yorkshire, England. The female, you can go ahead. This is 009 Florida, I hear you.
Yeah, thanks very much Ray. It's Kate, Kilo, Alpha, Tango, Echo, in the mobile, Charlie Echo 01.
How are you doing, man? I talked to you a couple of times. How's everything there? Are you doing good?
Yeah, I'm very well, thank you very much. I'm out in the mobile, just out in the mobile in my car, and I'm listening to you. You are a 5 and 9, 30 plus.
Oh my God, so you're in your car? I know when you say in your car, I'm just playing right now. You're making a trip. Your car is making a trip. So, you want to say good morning. I haven't heard from you in a while, but you know where I'm at. I'm on 27385. Wave your hand anytime. Have a good day. Be safe out there, okay?
Yeah, Thanks so much, Ray. Thanks for taking the call. And I'll put the video up a little bit later on, and you can find it on YouTube. Just type in your call sign. All the very best from England.
Okay, my friend, take care. Oh man, so many stations. All right, let's see. 002, 125, standby. 002, 009, Florida.
Awesome. That is so cool.
Just waving a hand, 009, Florida, standing by.
Beach, do you copy? Charlie Echo 01, a mobile station, Canterbury, England call.
Yeah, but you were breaking up.
Charlie Echo 01, a mobile station, southeast of England call.
Yeah, we're dropping out over here a little bit. We're 555 over here in Northern Body, Northern England. 211.
Hello 211, do you copy? Charlie Echo 01, in the mobile, Kate in the mobile.
I think you said Kevin here. 73 is Kevin, 411. West Palm Beach, Florida. Operator Bill, Bravo, India, Lima, Lima. Yeah, it might be moving on us a little bit, Randy.
Charlie Echo 01, mobile station call.
Yeah, it's been kind of in and out. You got to get on top of the lead there, and it's going good there, right? Yeah, I got to learn how to surf better. Yeah, well, United Kingdom, CQ, Ireland, CQ Europe, 429, Delray Beach.
Hello 429, do you copy? Charlie Echo 01, in the mobile, a mobile station call.